What's up, everybody? My name is Stratton Byers, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. And if you've been sticking around for a long time, I really appreciate you guys coming back and for the support. And if you guys are ready for today, I'll be installing some Tomei EXPREME titanium exhaust. Oh hey, I didn't see you there. See that? It's a Tomei box. You know what that means? Exhaust, baby. So this right here is the Tomei EXPREME titanium exhaust for a 2013 Scion FRS. And let me tell you, I am excited. I am more than excited to put this on tomorrow. It's gonna be tomorrow morning, 12 a.m. baby. But the reason why I need to put this on my car is because my current exhaust system right now, I am running an NVIDIA N1 exhaust, Catback exhaust. And my front pipe is a Tomei titanium 80mm front pipe. And so basically, if you look at it this way, it's causing an exhaust leak from the front pipe to the catback, right? So you look at those two flanges on the underside of your car. And so this is the NVIDIA exhaust, smaller, Tomei exhaust, larger. So if you think about it, that back pressure is so high right there, but it just doesn't line up right. So it's causing an exhaust leak just from the bottom of that little part of the flange right there. It just never is lined up for me. So I am officially doing a full Tomei exhaust. Titanium exhaust.
We've only just begun.
Welcome back, guys. So we're back here at the warehouse, right? We're here. And today's a big day where we got sunlight. It's beautiful out. It's nice and chilly. You know what? We get to cuddle with each other underneath. Whoa. We get to be men underneath a car with a nice blanket and romantic music.
Alright, alright.
Let's get to it, baby.
Alright. Bro's about to start saying Roger, Roger. Oh, that's copywritten, never mind. Yeah, he's got a lift would be beautiful. A lift would be amazing right now. My fingers are dying down there. So I can only imagine how you feel.
Ain't that bad. I'm a strong man.
Strong.
Tomei Unequal length headers, and then HKS Overpipe, which that thing looks good, but it's stainless.
Nice.
Bro, that sounds amazing, dog.
It's not even on a Craggle tune, bro.
So good, dude.
Holy crap, dude. That's great. RPMs
She
right now.
sounds good, bro.
She sounds way too good. Oh, she's minty.
Yeah.
Woo, baby.
Keep up.